Welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're exploring the world of turkey fowl farming, a rewarding and profitable poultry farming venture. Turkeys are valued for their meat, which is in high demand, especially during festive seasons. Whether you're considering starting a small-scale operation or expanding your current farm, turkey farming offers great potential. Let's take a step-by-step look at how to successfully start and manage a turkey farm. Before diving in, it's important to grasp why turkey farming is a lucrative choice. Turkeys grow quickly, have a good feed-to-meat conversion ratio, and their meat is a sought-after product in many markets. Consider breeds like the broad-breasted white for commercial meat production, or heritage breeds like the bourbon red for niche markets. A well-organized setup is crucial to the success of your turkey farming venture. Turkeys require spacious, well-ventilated housing with about 5 to 6 square feet per bird. Ensure the shelter is sturdy, dry, and offers protection from predators and harsh weather. Use straw, wood shavings, or sand as bedding to keep the environment clean and comfortable for the turkeys. Secure fencing is essential to keep turkeys safe and prevent them from wandering off. Proper nutrition is key to healthy growth and high-quality meat production. Turkeys need a diet rich in protein, especially during the early stages. Starter feed with 28 to 30% protein is ideal for poults, young turkeys, while grower feed with 18 to 20% protein is suitable for adults. Turkeys, like other fowl, require grit to aid in digestion. Make sure they have access to small stones or commercial grit. Provide a constant supply of clean, fresh water, as turkeys are heavy drinkers. Breeding your own turkeys can be a cost-effective way to sustain and grow your flock. Maintain a ratio of 1 tom, male turkey, to 5 to 10 hens, female turkeys, for optimal breeding. Turkeys lay about 80 to 100 eggs per year. Collect eggs daily and store them in a cool place if you're planning to incubate them. Turkey eggs take about 28 days to hatch. You can use an incubator or allow the hens to hatch them naturally. Healthy turkeys are essential for a productive farm. Turkeys are prone to diseases like blackhead, so maintaining cleanliness and providing vaccinations is crucial. Keep the housing and surrounding area free of pests and parasites by regularly cleaning and using appropriate control measures. Implement strict biosecurity protocols to prevent the spread of diseases onto your farm. With your turkeys healthy and thriving, it's time to focus on marketing your products. Turkey meat is in high demand, especially during holidays. Consider selling to local butchers, restaurants, or directly to consumers. Explore the potential of producing value-added products such as smoked turkey, turkey sausages, or pre-packaged turkey cuts to increase your farm's revenue. While turkey eggs are not as commonly consumed as chicken eggs, they can be marketed to niche markets or used for breeding purposes. Turkey farming is a fantastic opportunity for both beginners and experienced farmers, offering high returns with proper care and management. With their fast growth and high market demand, turkeys can be a valuable addition to your farming ventures. Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into sustainable and profitable farming practices.